Wait. Hello guys, today I'll show you very important plant for the human body, and also there will be 10 fact about this plant. First 5 1 will be I'll tell you, and 5 fact told end of the video. Please enjoy for last moment and last video. And number 1 fact is medicinal plant, widely used in Ayurveda Siddha like kidney stone, cough and wounds. And number 2 self-propagating, new baby plants ingrown from leaf even falls on soil. And number 3 water retention, as a succulent it stores water in thick leaves, make it drought resistant. And number 4 Patharseta or Kalonchoe Pinatta is this plant name, meaning in English or Hindi stone breaker, as it is believed to help dissolve kidney stone. This number is 4. And 5 number 5 is flowers. It produces hanging bell shaped flower, usually red, purple or orange. This is the first 5 fact I told you about this plant, and now last 5 fact told you end of the video. Please continue to see this video, and I'll tell you again 5 fact about this plant. Now this plant is very beautiful. This plant is very beautiful to see. Just see and imagine what a very important plant this one. And now I'll tell you about this plant. 5 fact that usually I'll tell you now. First of I told you 5 facts. Now number 6, air purify. Like many succulent, it helps purify indoor air and release 7 original exhalative and meta gear, but now grows in tropical and subtropical region worldwide. This is original one. Number 8. Number 8 is pollinator friendly. Its flowers attract bees, butterflies. Number 9, use as herbal remedy. Leaves are boiled, crushed to make herbal juice for fever, stomach pain and or skin infection. And number 10, cultural significance. In some traditional, it is as considered miracle plant, healing and regenerative powers. This is the most 10 fact about this plant, and see and enjoy. And also like, followers and subscribe my channel for the next part. Thank you.